your Audi, it's a long road trip, traffic is crawling, or maybe you're waiting while your EV charges. Normally, you'd scroll through your phone, check messages, or just sit bored. But now, suddenly, your car turns into a gaming lounge. You grab your phone, scan a QR code, and boom, your Audi's big screen transforms into a multiplayer gaming console. This isn't science fiction. This is Audi plus Air Console. In this video, we're diving deep into how Audi is reshaping in-car entertainment, the technology behind Air Console, the games you can play, which models are supported, and why this could completely change how we think about mobility. Audi has always been more than just about cars. It's about innovation, luxury, and now digital lifestyle. With EV adoption growing fast, Audi saw a new opportunity: downtime. Think about it. EVs need charging stops. Families take road trips. People wait in their cars for pickups. Instead of wasting that time, why not turn it into entertainment? Enter Air Console. A platform built specifically for in-car gaming, designed to make every journey more fun, more social, and surprisingly, more futuristic. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Open the Air Console app from the Audi application store. Step 2. A QR code pops up on your Audi's MMI display. Step 3. Scan the code with your smartphone. Step 4. Your phone instantly transforms into a wireless game controller. No wires. No extra consoles. Just your car, your screen, and your phones. Each game comes with its own optimized controller layout for your smartphone, so the gameplay feels natural and intuitive. Air Console isn't alone, it's part of a much bigger ecosystem, the Audi application store. This is Audi's own digital marketplace where you can download apps like Spotify, YouTube, DAZN, and now, Air Console. With Audi Connect Plus, your car becomes a Wi-Fi hotspot powered by 4G LTE or 5G, letting you stream, play, and stay connected wherever you go. In short, Audi isn't just building cars, it's building digital platforms on wheels. So what can you play? Air Console offers something for everyone. Uno Car Party. The classic card game, now perfect for family road trips. Pictionary Car Party, exclusive to Audi passengers in 2025. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Quiz battles with your friends. Overcooked, a crazy cooking co-op game that tests teamwork. Go-Kart Go. Arcade-style racing right from your seats. Snowboard Buddies, chill solo fun for downtime. And many more, from trivia to sports to action. The game library keeps expanding, with regular updates and new content so you'll never run out of fun. But what about distractions? Don't worry, Audi thought of that. With dynamic privacy mode, the passenger display is shielded so the driver doesn't see the game while driving. That means fun for passengers, focus for drivers, and no compromise on safety. As of 2025, Air Console is supported on cars built on Audi's PPC and PPE platforms. That includes the all-new Audi A5, 2025, the Audi Q5, 2025, the Audi A6 e-tron, the Audi Q6 e-tron. Future expansions are likely as Audi integrates this across its luxury lineup. This move is more than just games, it's Audi sending a clear signal. Cars are no longer just transportation machines, they are digital living spaces. BMW has experimented with in-car gaming. Tesla has its arcade. But Audi's approach is different, integrated, passenger-focused, and designed for social interaction. As cars become more autonomous in the future, features like this may become even more important. Imagine what's next. Multiplayer online matches with cars around the world. Augmented reality games that use the car's windows as screens. Exclusive Audi-only tournaments. Today it's Air Console, tomorrow, it could be an entire gaming metaverse built into your car. Audi and Air Console have redefined what it means to pass time in a car. From family road trips to long charging stops, from kids to adults, there's something for everyone. So, what do you think? Would you want your car to double as a gaming hub? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tech deep dives, and share this video with a friend who loves gaming.